Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zillow Zestimate Critique for accurate pricing, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Zillow Zestimate Critique for accurate pricing, start by visiting the Zillow website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Search for the property you wish to evaluate using the search bar. Once you find the property, click on it to access its details. Locate the Zestimate section on the property page. Review the current Zestimate value and any associated data. Take note of the Zestimate's historical trends for a comprehensive understanding. Scroll down to access the property details, including square footage and previous sale prices. Check the Comparable Homes section to see how similar properties are priced. If you notice discrepancies or have concerns, click on the Claim Your Home link if applicable. Follow the prompts to verify ownership, which may involve providing documentation. Once verified, access the Edit Facts feature to correct any inaccuracies. Add updated information such as square footage, number of bedrooms, and any recent renovations. Submit your changes for review by Zillow's team. Monitor your email for updates regarding your submitted corrections. Zillow may not immediately adjust the Zestimate, so be patient during this process. Consider reaching out directly to Zillow support if you have additional questions or concerns. Stay engaged with your Zestimate by regularly checking updates on the property value. Educate yourself on market trends to better understand how they affect your property's value. Utilize additional tools on Zillow, such as market reports, to gain further insights. Keep documentation of all changes made for your records. Refer to Zillow's Help Center for more detailed guidelines on the Zestimate process. This will help ensure you receive the most accurate pricing for your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.